patch on it, got a couple little holes in it. I didn't do any of it. But they did put a patch on this side. And the passenger side I never even looked at. There was a lump on this side, and I was like, what the heck was it? I pulled up the floor mat, and somebody left a hammer under there. And that's when I saw the patch. But it's just like a screw-in patch.
Glass is all good.
Yeah, glass works. They roll up and down. It's got electric wipers on it, brand new conversion. Heater defroster works. That works.
Yeah, I was there. It was like a question mark, but a Cobra thing, yeah, because you know it was like an LS swap, so we didn't know what was in it. Nice. Yeah, I'll see you around, man. Awesome. It's just simple, one color.
Here's my old Chevelle Marvin.
Yeah, we do more of that around here. Doing photography, dude, I'm frosting roses in the side windows, like extra roses. Got up for sale.
Now, this should.
I like this a lot.
There's an AC right there.
What do you think it costs to put on the light on there?
Huh? Technically. I just have no tags on it. My brakes are out. Gotta get
Because some doggies are friendlier than others.
Have you played with the wedding?
60. Yeah, I have a 61. Yeah. He's been around. That's a bomb. That's 7 inches. See the panel down there? Yes, yes. Those cars, that car is Is that the same?
Pretty color.
How you doing? How you doing? What frame?
behind something going somewhere one day, so we decided to take it. It hasn't been licensed in 10 years. And the guy said, "Hey, you get plates on that?" Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah, of course.
See that silver 55, kind of a silver. Kind of a raised one. They actually traded.
I'm a white guy. I turn red.
Yeah, but you got red, white, and then all you gotta do is have, oh, you have blue pants.
Yeah.
Different, like,
Heat stuff.
uh-huh. Yeah.
Picnic tables. Southern was their house out past Ryan's, before Ryan's house, going out that way. I always tell you, the Georgia. And then they got into the asphalt.
What's that?
You need two things.
I'd trade your truck for a Tavern.
That has money? Huh?
Something you love more than anything, bud.
Did you get a flag yet?
We need another way.
How about this guy?
Anyone a flag?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. My biggest kid.